your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to Mail Call. Yep, you got it. Larry Barone is here in Fort Worth, Texas. And today's on Mail Call, the kind people from
Zensd,
a pen that I really don't know much about, so I'll go ahead and open the package, show you what's in here, and then I'll be working on the reviews for these pens, okay? So, here we go. Open them up. Let's just take them all out right now. 2, 3, 4. That's pretty light. 5. Anything else in there? Hello. Okay. Hello. All right. And it tells what they are. So let's see. This one is a white one. You go ahead and give the name to that one. Then I'll look for it here.
this one is Flamenco White.
White. Flamenco white. Okay, I don't see that. Oh, that's all right. We'll just go with this first, and we'll open it up and let you all see what they look like. Cardboard sleeve with the name. And it opens up like this. And that's cool. And look at this beautiful pen.
Turn it this way. Oh, yeah.
And it comes with 2 cartridges, and I will fill you in with all the good details about this pen. That's one.
This one is Contempo Yellow.
Tempo yellow. All right. Okay, here we go. First look. That is a pretty yellow, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
That is a pretty yellow. Both of them.
It's got a touch of gold in it. I like that.
Both of them have some nice looks on the colors so far. And they do come with, looks like standard small cartridges. Okay.
Next is Shiny Chrome.
And when I give a full review, I'll give you the website, I'll tell you how much they cost, and I'll do an honest review, my thoughts, what I like about the pen, and what I don't like about the pen. But remember, we all are different. Now, this is a totally different box. See the difference in that one? Probably a higher end pen, you think?
Could be.
All right, let's see how this one opens up. This is going to do a little bit different. Here we go. Got to find that magnetic clasp there. They're all magnetic. Bam, bam, bam. Trying to get a grip on this jewel. There we go. We ready? Here we go. That's a pretty chrome one. For people that are into chrome, this looks really cool. Heavier.
This one is Carbon Fiber.
Carbon fiber reminds me reminds me of the Levenger. This has a little bit more weight to it too. And this is easier to open. There we go. Kind of reminds you of the Levenger. See there? Looks really nice. And last but not least,
Black and Silver.
black and silver. All right. Here we go, folks. That is pretty, isn't it? Nice looking pens. I'm going to give them that just by first look. All right. So I will be working vigorously on these to get the reviews done. Well, there you have it, the 5 pens from
Zensdy.
Yep. So it's going to be a very interesting review for me. I have to do a lot of exploring and checking out this pen. And I'll do this as a priority to get this done. Okay. Folks, that's going to do it today. Thank you for joining me on Mail Call. Be safe. Follow the rules. Keep the hands nice, wash and clean. Stay the distance. Do the mask. And don't text and drive. Bye-bye.